A few days earlier, Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma had met his Meghalaya counterpart at the latter's chamber in Shillong to discuss on an amicable solution to the pending and unresolved issue of boundary dispute between the two states. However, a few days later, clashes had erupted in the BHOI areas of KILLING-LONGKHULI, where the Assam police and a few residents of the Assam side of the border had been stopping the erection of electricity poles of the MEECL on Meghalaya soil. While the residents of Meghalaya tried to oppose the action, it was witnessed that the men in uniform started to mishandle not only the villagers of Meghalaya but the MDC of Mawhati, Charles MARNGAR, who had tried to talk to the Assam police and stop them from interfering and encroaching into land that belongs to the state of Meghalaya.
मेघालय मैंने लाठी नहीं किया